taxation?
Well, the bottom line for the Green Party is to get the prices right. It's a very simple concept that in our society we should align our economic goals with survival. So in other words, ecological goals should be aligned with economic goals. Right now they're cross purposes. We've designed our taxation system as though this country had abundant cheap energy, abundant forest, abundant fisheries, and a shortage of people. And the reality is we have people who need work, and what we're short on is fisheries, forests, energy at affordable prices. So what we need to do is shift that taxation. We should tax the things we don't want, like pollution, greenhouse gases, chemicals that cause cancer, and reduce the things by the same amount. So the concept is fiscal neutrality, revenue neutral, so that we actually would decrease the taxes on income, decrease taxes, payroll taxes, while we increase taxes on things we don't want. So another way of looking at it is don't tax the goods, tax the bads.
And when we start getting rid of the bads, what happens then? We shift the taxes again?
This is a really interesting point that one of the economists that we brought to our policy forum on tax shifting, Professor Peter Victor from York, has been looking at this. And what you need to do, of course, is recognize that if your tax system is working, you see a decline in that, for instance, if our cigarette taxes really worked, we'd be seeing people smoking less. But there's a point at which governments say, oh dear, we can't risk losing the tax on tobacco. So we need to have a program that within 10 years, let's hope it works, we start eliminating and reducing the chemicals that cause cancer, we start eliminating and reducing greenhouse gases and smog, then you can rebalance taxes again by taxing in a different area.